Welcome. This episode, we're going to build part 6-30H water pump mounting bracket for the Clayton Undertype Steam Wagon. Let's get building. Welcome to G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. This episode, we're going to build part 6-30H, the water pump mounting bracket for the Clayton Undertype Steam Wagon. Let's go File, New, Part MGS. Okay, let's go to Front Plane, Sketch. Let's do a box. Actually, no. Let's do circle. There's going to be one circle there, one there. Scroll out a bit. One there and one there. And then it's going to be one there. And three of these are going to be vertical. That circle there will be equal. And these two circles here will be equal. Now, this is going to be a radius of 17, so it's going to be 17 plus 17, 34, beautiful. Then we're going to have a radius of 5, so it's going to be 10. Before we do that one, let's do this one first. Oops, sorry. Sketch. Measurement going to be 6. There we go. And that one's going to be 10. There we go. Now, this circle here will be tangent with that circle there, as with these two as well. Oh, nope. Clicked the wrong one. That one and that one. Tangent, sorry. There we go. Now, let me just go trim, so we want to get rid of that line there, that line there. Oh, nope, don't get rid of that one yet because it's still defined there. Okay, so we want line, square, and there, that'll do. But these two should be, there we go. Circle, line, tangent. You bring that out so that way you've got easier to trim. So line, circle, tangent. Now we can do the trim. You trim that one and that one, that one and that one. There we go. Measurement will be from the circle, center circle. Oh, that should be 19. Sorry, 10, not 19. I just realised I put the wrong measurement there. 34. And that should be 10. There we go. That's better. That look right. Bring them down a bit. There we go. And zoom right in. Looks a lot better. Looks a lot better. That's going to be a thickness of 6. So features 6. Doesn't matter. It's mid-plane. And that's going to be, go back to metal, aluminium, brushed aluminium. There we go. Beautiful. Now, we've got to build off this spot here. Let's go to normal, sketch, and then we want a box. That point there. Down to this line, and that's going to be 6 mil. 6 mil. That's going screwed out by 83. Feature 83 and done. Right, this section here is done. Let me double check. Yeah, that section there is done. No holes and that's no thread in those, so let's go this piece here, normal to sketch, And there's going to be 3 holes plus a trim. Okay, so let's do the circles first. Going to be 1, 2, 3, and they're all the same size. Yes, they are. So that one, and that one, those 3 circles will be equal, and one will be 5. There we go. And then we got the 7 points up there. That's right. Dang it. Okay, no worries. Oh, that works out. No, I got it. So from this point to this point here will be 27. So by rights, this point and this point should be 27. It is. Okay, 3 defined, that's fine. I just want to keep it that way. Now we got this point to this point will be 19. And these two again, what happened? There is 19. Okay, so this line here and this point here will be 6. And this point and this point, these 2 circles will be 12. Oh, and this point and this point will be vertical. There we go. Fully defined. Now we need go point. There we go, 1 there. Why is it doing that line? Okay. And that is 45 degrees. So point. Oh, there we go. 45. There we go. And that's going to be 19. Oh, hold on. Nope, undo that. Sorry. Delete that one. It's going to be, sorry, it's 19. I went to the wrong point. It's going to be 19 from this one, sorry. Actually, all I've got to do is actually put this point, the measurement, thank you. Get this point, and this point will be horizontal. There you go. Same. Why put another 19? We got 19 there. Now we need to do the same with the other corner. So point. Yeah, there, thank you. That point and this point, the circle will be horizontal. This and this will, nope, that's not what. Yeah, there, thank you. I missed the line. That line and this line will be 45. All right, so now we go feature, sorry, not extrude, we got extrude, cut, through all, and done. And that should be done. Let me double check. That's 3 holes, yep. 2 corners are trimmed, yep. Goes around. That is that piece done. So that's part 6-30H water pump mounting bracket done for the Clayton Undertype Steam Wagon. So thank you for coming along. Hope you enjoyed the episode. Click like button, comment, subscribe. Do appreciate it. I'll see you next episode. Remember, keep building.